your devices on mute until your name is called. Please keep your devices on mute until your name is called.
I thought I was just in a breakout room.
No, I'm about to open up court. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking around, eating, smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give the court your fully divided attention. Good morning, Your Honor. Let everyone turn on their video. Everyone turn on their video. Mr. Dawson.
Mr. Werbling, are you ready on your matter? Mr. Werbling went. Okay. Ms. Horn, you are muted.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm on the line with Mr. Werbling.
Okay. All right. So, Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
Fine, I got it. We got it.
You sure, Your Honor?
Yeah, we got it. Miss White, I did pull Miss Rayford's other tickets. There were two unregistered vehicle, and then one was insurance. I know you said you looked at her registration. Does she have insurance as well?
Yes, I did email it to Mr. Lewis.
You saw it? She has.
Yes, she does.
All right, let's call hers. This is the People versus Kamisha Rayford. Ticket number P1327420. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. I don't know if Ms. Horn can hear me. There is a civil infraction for no proof of insurance. I think it's gone into default. She does have insurance. Are you at default, Ms. Horn?
Say that again. I was listening about the civil infraction.
All right, so there's a civil infraction for no proof of insurance. She does in fact have valid insurance, but the no proof of insurance, the civil infraction is not on the docket. So are you willing to set aside the default?
Yes, Your Honor, no objection.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We're also here on ticket number SP 1249625, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. The ticket number SP 1328097, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And then count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Rita White on behalf of, please state your name, Ms. Rayford.
Kamisha Rayford.
So, Ms. White, you've had an opportunity to see Ms. Rayford's registration and her car insurance, and it is both in fact valid.
Yes, Your Honor, I have received a copy of Ms. Rayford's registration and insurance that expires January of 2023. And based on that, I'm requesting a dismissal on those counts.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rayford. Good luck to you, ma'am.
What happens after this? I'm sorry. I don't know.
Your cases are dismissed. You still owe some money on some other cases, so you need to make sure you pay that.
Right. Okay. So that's. Can you tell me what I will owe?
You gotta look online and see all that.
Okay.
Yeah, I had provided you those numbers that I believe you wrote down, Ms. Rayford.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Christopher Dooley, ticket number P1241864, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Christopher Dooley.
There is an offer of improper place and then dismissing the driving while license suspended. How does the client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, I actually did not have a plea form on that ticket.
That's fine. So Mr. Dooley, the offer is that if you plead to the insurance charge, they'll dismiss the drive while license suspended. It'll be amended to improper plate. That's no points. There'll be a fine. It'll be $200. I'll give you till October 6th to pay it. If you need more time, I'll give you more time. You can also go to trial. If you want to take the offer, pay the $200, we can do this right now. If not, I can put you back in the waiting room. You can speak to the attorney in a little bit.
Your Honor, I apologize. Actually, Mr. Dooley, he did provide me a proof. I did screenshot it, proof of his license, valid, and insurance.
All right. So, with that, Ms. Horn, you're okay with, dismissing this?
Yes, absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you.
You stipulate the proper cause, Ms. White,
So stipulated.
these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Dooley, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
So what do I have to do now?
You're all set. You're done.
All right, so I just press the leave button.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
sir.
Matters dismissed.
And this is the people versus, Trey Robert Dean. One second. Okay, this people versus Trey Robert Dean, ticket number P1329896, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, improper plate, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And ticket number P1330172, count 1, no proof of insurance, count 2, defective windshield, and count 3, defective brake lights. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Robert Dean.
Your Honor, I was in the process of providing him the plea offer to plead responsible on the 3 civil infractions with the dismissal on the 3 misdemeanors. I wasn't able to complete the communications, so.
Mr. Dean, the offer is that you make it mention to the civil infraction. The only thing is that there is gonna be a fine, and the fine, I can tell you now, for the no proof of insurance, that fine is $195. The defective windshield is $120, and then the brake lights is also $120. So it's gonna be a total of $435 that you owe. Because these are civil infractions, they're usually doing 14 days, which would be September 22nd. If you needed more time, I could give you to October 6th.
That's fine.
If you didn't pay these, they would go into default. Then you'll incur late fees and they won't close. So that's what you're off, and then you would, all the misdemeanors would be dismissed. So you can take this offer, we can do this right now if you needed more time, or you can set it for trial. You can set it for a bench trial or a jury trial. If you needed more time, I can put you in a breakout room and you can speak to Ms. White in a little bit.
Can I get more time to pay it?
I can give you to October 6th. Now, if you want to do a payment plan, you would need to come down to the courthouse, put 25% down, and then they would give you a payment plan.
Could you tell me how much it is one more time, and then that's it.
And you would also have to be approved for the payment plan. The total is $435.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, what does that mean? What do you want to do, Mr. Dean?
Oh, I'll pay the fine.
Okay, did I call the case?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So with that, Ms. White, you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
So stipulated.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause as to the other tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so they are all dismissed without prejudice. And again, there's gonna be a fine of $435. Again, I told you, if you want to make a payment plan, you gotta come down to the court. You get approved, and then, you would have to put 25% down. Questions?
All right, thank you again, man.
You're welcome. Let's do, October 6th.
All right, so do I stay in the call or I'm good?
You are good, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too, sir.
I know Officer Scott, Corporate Fidel was on.
Is this the word recording? Is he talking to his client? I guess not, okay.
Officer Corporate Crossing is on logins, logins.
I'm sorry, if I could just have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Horn in a breakout room whenever the opportunity arises.
Mr. Are you able to put them in a breakout room, or do they need to just call each other?
They need to call each other. Breakout rooms are closed.
Okay, can you call? No. All right, this is the people versus Damon Dixon, ticket number SX3892775. Count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Damon Dixon,
Like
Damon Lamar Dixon Jr.
it looks like the offer is to dismiss without prejudice. You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Man,
And one moment, Mr. Petway, Judge, did Miss Elizabeth Rigney sign in today?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And so when we have a moment, I would need to speak with Miss Rita White on that matter.
I believe she has a retained attorney, Matthew Dupree.
That's correct. Oh, has he come back?
No.
I did text him and asked him if he would call me when he had a moment. I don't think he has. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, this is the people versus Vicente Dupuy. Ticket number P10749499. Count 1, loud music with your vehicle more than 10 feet away. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, sir.
Vincent Dupuy.
Okay, there is an offer of a 3-month delayed sentence. How does your client wish to proceed?
Mr. Dupuy would like to accept the plea offer.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dupuy. You swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. White today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has it threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You said that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
And direct your attention to March 18, 2020 at 1:17 p.m. On that date and time, you added near Junction and Porter in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Be driving a 2008 Chrysler vehicle.
Yes.
You have loud music from your vehicle that could be heard from more than 10 feet away.
Yes.
Like,
Satisfied.
We'll accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. There's going to be a fine of $200. Your next date is going to be November 10th at 8:35. No citations, no tickets, basically no further police contact. You pay the fine, have no further police contact. This will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Okay.
All right, next date, November 10th, 8:35 on Zoom. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. This
is people versus Willie Dawson. Ticket number P1284054, count one, failed to display valid operator's license, not on person. Count two, improper plate. Count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1284076, count one, expired plates. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, defective brake light. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, Mr. Dawson.
Willie Dawson.
Mr. Dawson, did you get the offer? It was the plea to all the civil infractions, and then the misdemeanors would be dismissed. Did you want to do that?
Yes.
All right, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, ticket number ending in 076, Ms. White,
So stipulated.
stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed. All
So stipulated.
right, so they're all dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So, Mr. Dawson, with the expired plate, that fine is $145. The no proof of insurance is $195. And defective brake lights, that's $120. So it's gonna be a total of
I don't know what happened, but I got kicked out for a minute.
got a total of $460. Can you have that paid? Now, again, it's a civil infraction, supposed to be due on September 22nd. Can you have it paid by September 22nd, or do you need more time, sir?
So, do I come down to 36 Dixon to pay it, or could I do it with a Visa debit card?
You can, if you're ready, I can give you a phone number where you can call, or you can do it online.
Can you hold on for 1 second, please, while I get a pen?
Sure can.
All right. Hello.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes.
It's 855.
I didn't understand. I didn't get it.
Ready?
Yes.
855-798.
798
1547.
1547.
Yes.
That's all the number, just 758-1547?
855-798-1547.
I didn't get the first number.
855.
855, okay.
798-1547.
Okay, thank you.
Right? You're all set. This is People versus Chanel Dooley, ticket number P1325393, count one, drive by license suspended repeat offender. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Chanel Dooley.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation to dismiss. This is scheduled for trial. We are requesting you adopt the recommendation.
All right, this matter is, you stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Dooley. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus. All right, this is the People versus Benjamin Robinson, ticket number P1170529, count one, failed to display valid operator's license, not a person. Ticket number 2173076, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Benjamin Robbins.
Your Honor, there has been a plea offer to allow him to plead to a reduction of failure to display with a dismissal on the remaining 2 counts. However, Mr. Robinson does have a valid driver's license.
All right, and he has the insurance and registration as well?
He does not. But I did speak with him, and I'm not sure if the court would be open to dismissing the license, given the fact that he doesn't have his valid registration and insurance. I believe he would like to accept the plea offer to failing to display.
Okay. All right. Okay, so with that, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Okay, you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. White today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
Direct your attention to the date of February 27, 2021 at 5:50 p.m. On that date and time, will you add near Evergreen and Wadsworth in the city of Detroit?
Evergreen and Wadsworth. I thought I got pulled over downtown, but maybe so.
Okay, and you were driving a 2015 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, you're satisfied, Ms. White?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable causes to the other tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by October 6th, or did you need more time?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor. I can have it paid.
So it's due October 6th. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am. I can just go walk into 36th District and pay it.
You could, or you could pay it online. You could pay it over the phone. There's kiosks around the city and Meyer and CVS called DivDat, D-I-V-D-A. Pay it on the kiosk.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Anything else, sir?
I can log off now.
You sure can.
Okay, thank you. No, that's it.
Is Damon, we did Damon Dixon, right? He was his assistant.
Yes.
Tiffany Reed, is Tiffany Reed here? What does she want to do?
Your Honor, I have not had a chance to speak.
Officer is here.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to speak with her.
All right.
And I don't have a plea offer on that ticket.
I will have to talk to Mr. I don't see the officer.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, and then you're gonna have to speak to Ms. Horn about Ms. Raeigen and let's see. Is he at,
Yeah, I thought we had a presentation.
I don't have it. Oh, no, I do have a Raeigen. Yeah, I have, yes, I didn't have Reed. All right, this is the people versus Omar Rowland, ticket number P1270499, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Please state your name for the record. Mr. Rowland?
You know, unmute yourself, look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself, sir. The microphone, you tap that. Can you hear us? No, his audio is not connected. All right, well, he's here.
And I need a plea offer on that one, so I guess if we could set.
It's to dismiss. You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated. He can hear.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Rowland. Good luck to you, sir.
You're all set, Mr. Rowland. Dismissal.
Let's see, did we do Don Juan? We're looking for that one here. This is the people versus Khalil Robinson, ticket number P1208294, count 1, driver's license expired, count 2, driver unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1317455, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, ticket number P1339360, count 1, improper place, count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, Mr. Robinson.
Khalil Malik Robinson.
Your Honor, I had called Mr. Robinson's name out. He unfortunately was not at the screen at the time, and so I was not able to connect with him at that moment.
I think he has some other tickets.
I wasn't what's the name? The room, the break room.
I just want to make sure I have all of his tickets, because I think he might have more. But there's also, I'm just trying to make sure I have all of his tickets. There must be another. All right, crossing on ticket number SP208294, count 1. I think I read that one, driver's license expired. Why have
You did.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like.
Did I do SP1208287?
No.
All right, that's count 1 is driver's license expired. Count 2, a registered or entitled vehicle, and then count 3, no misdemeanor. I think that's all of them. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, Mr. Robinson.
Khalil Robinson.
Your Honor, is there a way I could go into a breakout room with him regarding the 4 tickets that are the plea offers?
Yeah, and I think it's another ticket that he has.
Oh, okay. Because it looks like all the plea form incorporates all the tickets that are scheduled to be heard today.
It does, it does.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so you can go into a breakout room with him. I think that is everyone that we can do right now.
Yeah.
And Mr. Werbling, are you ready or you were still waiting? Yeah, I think. What about Raymore? Is he a trial or?
Raymore, I haven't spoken with him.
I'm here.
Okay. So
But he's a trial, no officer, I don't believe.
Is it set for trial?
Yes.
Okay. Has the officer shown? I don't think the officer's checked in. All right, so this is the people versus Don Juan Raymore. Ticket
Yes.
number P13430, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, count 2, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney White.
Good morning,
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name, Mr. Raymore.
Don Juan Cortez Raymore.
For trial at 9 o'clock, it is now 10:26. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, Ms. White?
Motion to dismiss.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Raymore. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. It's been dismissed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good day.